I sat through a 45-minute meeting last week. Took 0 notes. Didn't miss a single detail. 3 AI tools fought over who could summarize it best. Here's what happened. The average professional spends about 15 hours a week in meetings. That's almost 2 full workdays. And after each meeting, you're supposed to send a recap. List the action items. Follow up with everyone. Most people don't. They scribble half-legible notes, forget what was decided, and end up rehashing the same topics next week. Sound familiar? AI meeting assistants fix this. They join your call, record everything, transcribe it, and generate a summary with action items. Some even draft your follow-up emails. There are 3 tools leading this space right now: Fireflies, Otter, and Fathom. I tested all 3 on the same meeting to find out which one actually delivers. I recorded a real 30-minute project kickoff meeting with 4 people. Then I fed the same recording to all 3 tools. Same input. Different results. Let's start with Fathom. It's the newest of the 3 and it's gotten a lot of buzz. Here's why. I uploaded the recording and Fathom gave me a summary in about 90 seconds. The summary was organized by topic, not just chronological. So instead of at minute 12, Sarah said, it grouped everything into budget discussion, timeline, and open questions. That's actually how your brain wants to review a meeting. Under each topic, it pulled out specific decisions and who made them. Sarah approved the $15,000 budget for Q2 marketing. Tom will deliver wireframes by March 21st. These aren't vague. They're specific, named, and dated. Now here's Fathom's killer feature for individuals. The free plan gives you unlimited recordings and summaries on Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams. You don't pay a dime until you need team-wide features. For a freelancer or solo consultant, that's hard to beat. Visual CUE, screen recording of Fathom summary with topic-grouped sections highlighted. Next up is Fireflies. Different strengths. I uploaded the same recording. Fireflies also transcribed it well, but where it stands out is search and integrations. After the transcription, I could search across all my meetings for any keyword. I typed budget and Fireflies pulled up every mention across this meeting and 3 older ones. If you're managing multiple projects, that's powerful. You can find exactly when a decision was made, across any meeting, in seconds. Fireflies also connects to Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Notion. So the action items it extracts can automatically create tasks in your project management tool. For managers running a team, that's where the value is. No more copying action items from notes into Asana by hand. The downside? Firefly's free plan is more limited. You get transcription credits, but the AI summary features are paywalled at $19 a month. Visual CUE, show Firefly's search feature pulling results across multiple meetings. Here's what none of these tools tell you up front. Privacy. When you invite an AI bot to your meeting, everyone in that meeting gets notified. Some people don't love that. I've been in calls where someone said, "Can you turn off the recording bot?" And that's fair. Before you use any of these tools, check your company's policy. If you're a freelancer working with clients, ask permission first. It takes 10 seconds and avoids awkward conversations later. Second honest point. The transcription isn't perfect. All 3 tools struggled with crosstalk when 2 people talk at once. They also occasionally misattribute quotes. Fathom said Tom made a comment that was actually Sarah's. Not often, but it happens. So don't treat these summaries as legal records. They're drafts, not gospel. Review them before you send them to your team. Third, these tools work best in English. If your meetings switch between languages, accuracy drops significantly. Otter handles Spanish reasonably well. The others are English first. Now, despite all that, the time savings are real. I tracked it over 2 weeks. Without AI, I spent about 40 minutes per meeting on notes and follow-ups. With Fathom, that dropped to 8 minutes, just reviewing and tweaking the AI summary. That's over 5 hours saved per week. So which one should you use? If you're a freelancer or individual who just wants great summaries for free, go with Fathom. Best free tier, best summary quality. If you're a manager who needs search across meetings and CRM integrations, Fireflies is worth the $19 a month. If your team collaborates during live meetings and wants real-time notes, Otter's your pick. My personal setup? Fathom for client calls, Fireflies for internal team meetings. Both running at the same time, different strengths for different situations. Try one of these on your next meeting. You'll never go back to manual notes. If this was helpful, subscribe. I test AI tools so you don't have to waste time on the ones that don't work. See you next time.